everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to fix payment failed on Fampay. Now the first thing you need to do is check your Fampay account. Ensure that your account has sufficient balance for the transaction. Next, you need to verify that the payment method is supported. Next, you have to update the payment details. If you've linked a card or another wallet to your Fampay account, double check that the details like the card number, expiry date, and CVV are accurate and up to date. Then don't forget to ensure you have stable internet connection and make sure you are using the latest version of the Fampay app. You can also retry because sometimes payment failures can be temporary due to server issues. Wait a few minutes and try the transaction again. If the problem persists after trying the steps, the most direct solution is to contact Fampay's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance related to your account and the failed transaction. You can reach Fampay support through the following channels. You can call 91804-588-8881, 91804-588-8881, and available 24/7. You can also email them at support@trialtech.co.in and expect a response within 24 to 48 working hours. You can also look for support or help section within the Fampay application for in-app chat. You can also contact them or reach out to them through their official social media channels like Instagram, Fampay.in, or Twitter, Fampay_in. When contacting support, be ready to provide details such as your registered mobile number and transaction reference ID, if available. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.